Yeah, the tears. Proper real tears. In my eyes, and it's going on in the real Adam, she's gone downstairs. She's gone down there. And there's loads of hairs down there. Loads. Not just a bit. That one goes me. It's not even big bit. It's not even middle bit yet. She's going old spilling France. I'm naked like a little girl. She took the man off me. She took me man with herself. I can't be gone anymore. I don't want to see a grown girl cry. Now she's took me man off me. She's with me eyebrows as well. She's taking me Montebello. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not that much, so you can't say. That was bad. I can take that one. Bad.